Hi Bellas, it's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Today's lips is by ColourPop times Ellery, and it's in the color Anyways. And then the lashes are by Lily Lashes times Sephora, and these are in the style Miami. If you want to see more on this look, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to share with you my tips, tricks, and looks. Today's video is going to be a haul. As you guys know, Ulta recently had their Beauty Buys sale, and it's where you can get some of the top name brands at 50 to 75% off. Um, I got a couple of things that I really liked, and some things that I haven't tried in a while and I wanted to retry. And because of this sale, I was able to say, there's some things I might want to retry again. So some of those are coming back for a repeat, and I will jump in without further delay and let you know what I got. All right, so this is my Ulta haul. This is all the stuff that I got. I already opened it up and took out all of the packaging, so I can just jump right in and share with you what I bought. So first and foremost, I got some things that I was running out of. As you guys know, I love me some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is done. It's got like a little corner left. So I did go and purchase a new one. So I got that. Also, as you guys know from my favorites, I love myself some Simple facial cleansing wipes. And then they had a sale at Ulta. You buy one 2-pack. Let me bring it out. You buy one 2-pack, and then you get the other for 50% off. So I was able to get 4 for the price of 2. So that's really awesome. So I got more of these. Put that there. And then also, because I was running out, as you can see, I'm almost done with this as well. This was 50% off, so I was able to get the MAC Fix Plus. It's regularly $22. I got it for half price during their sale, and it's a full size. Winner, winner. And then the other thing that I got that I actually tried before, and I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. I felt that it wasn't really keeping me as matte as it said it was going to do. And then I tried it with powder. So I used this product, I put some powder on it, some Laura Mercier powder, I powdered it down, then went on with my makeup routine, putting on the foundation, highlight, contour, all that good stuff, and then I powdered again before I put the Fix Plus on. And I found that it really did last a long time doing it that way before I became oily. So this is the Becca Backlight Backlight Priming Filter. So that's that. It comes in a beautiful bottle. So let me show you. The packaging is just beautiful. So this is what the product looks like. And of course, it's got its Becca logo at the very top. It's very nice. You only need a little bit. I put like 2 pumps, and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. Then I follow it with the Laura Mercier powder, and then go about my normal routine. I find that doing it that way does help my makeup last a lot longer before I'm getting oily again. So bought that. And then also because it was 50% off, and it's also a product that I love and have not used in a while. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. I love this mascara because the wand is beautiful. And I'm going to show it to you. So this is the wand. It's a thin hourglass shaped wand. It really grabs a hold of my lashes, and 2 strokes of this on each eye, and my lashes look as if I have on natural falsies. They look beautiful. So especially on days when I don't really want to wear a false lash, or maybe I'm running late, or I'm just, running errands with the boo, but I want to look a little awake and alive, then I will use that. I'll put some primer on beforehand, then put 2 coats of that on, and I'm good to go. So I love that. And then also because I was running out and I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I have not bought this in a while. So I went and got it. This is the MAC Sweet as Cocoa, and this is a shimmer blush. It is so beautiful, and it's actually perfect for the summertime and springtime as well. You wouldn't think so because of the color, but it is really, really beautiful. So I got that. I love this color, and it's a color that I have not used a whole lot. I don't think I've ever featured it even on this channel, because when I started this channel, I don't think I had any more, but now I do. All right, so finally from Ulta, they were also giving you with a $35 purchase, which of course I did, the lipstick sampler. So it's full of lots of goodies, so I wanted to show you those. First and foremost, it gives you a lip paint kit by Model's Own. It comes with a lip paint, it comes with a lip brush, and a little lip tray, so you can make some fun lip paint colors with that. That will be interesting. Also, they gave me a Maybelline, this is their Superstay Matte Ink color in number 25. Next we have from e.l.f. their Velvet Matte Lipstick, and this is in Bold Berry. So another full-size lippy. That's cool. Next, they gave me the Makeup Revolution. This is their lip lacquer, and this is in the color Depravity, which is a bold purple lip. And then last but not least, they sent a NYX color, which is in a fuchsia. And this color is called, what is it called? Can't see what it's called. Oh, Unicorn. It's called Unicorn. It is a fuchsia color by NYX, Velvet Matte. And finally, they sent Lipstick Queen, and this is in the color Mauve Center, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is a sample size, so it's small. And that's the color, that's Mauve Center. That should be cute. So that was a nice surprise from Ulta. They should actually do that more often, because I would definitely purchase stuff from them if, we can get deals like this. And to be quite honest with you guys, I have a lot of lipsticks. So I really only got this sampler for you guys. I'm going to be including this in my next giveaway. So you guys will have a chance to win that. And then, you know, really I needed, you know, some stuff that I was running out of. So I wanted to make sure that I got that. So why not, you know, get something for my Bellas while I'm getting something for myself, right? So that was the Ulta haul. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this kind of thing. I haven't done it in a while, but happy to share with you the buys and purchases that I make. I have another one coming up for the Sephora sale. I'm so excited about this sale coming up. Mainly because it's going to be a lot of stuff that I want to get, and there are a lot of things that I want to get for you guys as well. If you have not seen my VIB wish list, I'm going to leave a link for that video down below in the description box so that you can check it out. And while you're here, you can check out some other videos as well. Don't forget to tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload. Give me a like, and last but not least, subscribe. It really helps me out, and it keeps you in the Bella family. And the Bellas know I come with the real beauty stuff. So come on back, holla at your girl, let's chat a while, and until next time, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, giving you lips, lashes, and luxury. Besos.